So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can enable the auto saving of projects over the Blender software. It will provide your security if you are using a Blender, and by defaultly if you're not able to save the project, it will by defaultly save it automatically, so you won't lost your progress. So just simply open the Blender over the device that you have been using. For example, if I open it on my Windows PC, now this is the home page of Blender. If you are using it, you're going to be familiar with this. Now here all you need to do is just simply open this option of open or click on this option of edit over there over the left top corner. Just simply click there, and here you're going to find this option of preferences. Just simply click there, and when you click there on this left window, you're going to find a lot of options, and here you need to just simply go to this option of save and load. When you click there, you're gonna see this blend file option windows. A window of auto save is over there. Just simply hit a check mark, and after doing this, the auto saving has been now enabled, and you can change the time as well of which until which you want to make this auto saving process. It will be currently set as every 2 minutes the project has been automatically saved, so you can change them as well. So by this method you can easily enable the auto save on the Blender software. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.